Hey yo, it's your boy Darkahontas, and today I'm coming at you with another St. Patty's Day set. Yes, honey, I know you see the material. I bring it to you every week, except for that one time, but we're not gonna talk about that. Okay? Okay. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a Batty Eddie Eddie and share because sharing is Cameron. And y'all know that's the only type of Karen we like in this household. You dig? If anything, y'all, we have a tutorial to get down on it. All right, so let's go. Hey, y'all. Welcome to the month of March, baby, and here we are doing some St. Patty's Day set, okay? So this is a press-on set that I just created. So cute, isn't it? And we're gonna go ahead and do this one together. So I already took the pleasure of going in and creating the basic part of this whole design, which is the French tip. French tip. I decided to go with a V shape French tip. You can go with any shape French tip you want to be honest. It's your preference. I just like the V shape. You can do U shape, or you can do maybe even a square if you want to. It all depends on your preference. But I went ahead and took the advantage of doing that. So the first color I'm going in with is going to be this one, which is Good Luck. And I'm going to be taking a ball stylus. I'm taking a ball stylus and I put some on this palette, on my color palette. And I'm going to take the biggest side, dip it in there. And then we're just going to put 3 dots like that, like so. And bam, you got a 3-leaf clover. Now, if you want to do a 4-leaf, you can do that. That is your preference. I honestly decided that I wanted to go with a 3-leaf because I feel like it would aesthetically look better in my OP. But that's just my tea. That's just my tea. Y'all ain't got to sip it. If you want to do a 4-leaf, you can do a 4-leaf. But you basically going to do that on all the nails. You're going to put 2 on each nail. Okay? Okay. Oh, shit, I forgot. There we go. There we go. I'm like, why I ain't connected? I'm tripping. Anyways, how you guys been? Hope everything is going good with you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing month of March so far. Hope it's full with happiness, money, and all the good vibes that can come to you. Because Lord knows it's going to be good for me. It's going to be good for me. It's going to be good for me. It's going to be good. Because I'm actually pre-filming this tutorial, so it's still February for me. So we just going to go ahead and we just going to manifest and say it's going to be good for me. Good. You know what I'm saying? We're going to manifest. Right. I've been, ever since my time off from doing content, I come back with a vengeance. All right, y'all. So I'm going to wipe off my ball stylus. And now I'm going to go in with a little detailer brush like this and dip into that same green and create the stem. You don't want to make the stem too big. Try to make it short. I made some of the stems a little too long on the other set, which is fine. Which is perfectly fine. It's whatever. I just won't do it on this one. Bam. And then bam. Okay. Now that we've created the stems, I cleaned off my ball stylus, like I said, and now I'm going to use this one, which is a green glitter with gold reflex, and this is called Shamrock Glow. I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to dot it. Put 3 dots. It don't matter where you put it, but you need to put it. Try to offset it if you can. And if you need to pick up more product, you can do so. That's what I'm doing. I'll put 1 dot, then I'll dip back in. And now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful gold shimmer. This gold, not shimmer, but gold glitter, which is called 24 karat. And I'm gonna use the other side and I'm gonna dip into that one. And we're gonna put 3 of those. Just try to make it fit where it fit in, where it get in. But yeah, I'm pre-filming. I pre-film about 75% of my videos because I like to already have them done, one and done. I like to make sure that my schedule is good because I do work for a living. I do work for a living, so I'm not like a full-time content creator yet. But you know, that's the goal. That's the goal. All right. And now that we've created that so far, we're going to go ahead and cure that for a good 60 seconds. And that's pretty much the nail. That's pretty much the nail design. It's pretty easy. And then I'm just going to add a rhinestone. And that's pretty much it. Now, these 4 polishes are all a part of the Pot of Gold collection, bundle collection, which you can get on the website of madamglam.com. It's a new arrival. And you can use my discount code Darkahontas35 to get 35% off of your order. So also, just want to put a shameless plug in there. A shameless plug. You can also click the link in my description box below, which will make it a lot easier. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a matte top coat and put the gems on, and then we're going to get into the final reveals. All right, y'all. So the sun is setting. Your boy got stuff to do, okay? I want to say thank you guys for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. I hope my content is giving what it needs to give on the day it was given, because I always try to give you guys something that y'all can feel. This is the finished set. I am so happy with this, and I want to say a happy St. Patty's Day. If you guys go out on St. Patrick's Day, be safe. Do not drink and drive, Uber, and get a ride, okay? Okay. Other than that, I'm not going to hold y'all up too much. Y'all got stuff to do. It's a Friday, 2 days before St. Patrick's Day, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, it's 2 days before. Y'all got to prep y'all liver. You got to do a little quick detox. Okay. Okay. Other than that, y'all, thank you guys for stopping in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty, Addy, Addy, and share. Because sharing is caring. I know that's the only type of caring we like in this household, honey. If anything, let's go ahead and call it quits. Until next time, boo. Peace.